This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. It features a 6.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, heated front seats, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, a grille guard, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, OnStar, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and a trailer towing package. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Johnson Sewell Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3301 Highway 281 North in Marble Falls.